Today we're heading to the Youngstown Press Club's Hall of Fame induction banquet at the beautiful Stambaugh Auditorium in Youngstown. We are big supporters of the Press Club, which advances free speech and a free press and gives us great opportunities to continue building relationships with local news pros. As usual, we have a table here tonight, and we're here early to enjoy some nice fellowship and networking. Here are some familiar faces.
It's great to be here as part of the Press Club event. We've got a lot of good, long-standing relationships with people in the print media and broadcast as well. So whenever we can be present with that group, it's a real plus for us.
This year's Hall of Fame inductees include some big names in local journalism, and Przelomski, Dennis Mangan, and Emily Webster from the Vindicator, along with Gerry Ricciutti from WKBN-TV News. Dan worked with all three of the Vindicator folks when he served as the paper's business editor, and he also covered many of the same stories Gerry chased over the years. It's great to see these individuals nominated and recognized. Another successful outing is in the books. We'll be out and about again soon, and we'll talk about it in the next edition of Nimble Glimpses.